Going to break 4572 for the 2020-21, the Rookies Graded Basketball Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, March 16, 2021. It's 10:12 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:12 p.m. Central Time, and 7:12 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Kyle, still one spot, Tupa 2, Ed 1, BD 2, Staple 5, King Vlad 2, JP 1, Sir 12, Collections You Need 3, and CL 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to break. Kyle still on top, CL bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Sir on top, Kyle still on the bottom. All right, Sir with the Hawks, Staple Celtics, Sir Nets, CL Hornets, Sir Bulls, Cavaliers, King Vlad Mavericks, Staple with the Nuggets, Sir with the Pistons, Collections Warriors, Rockets, Staple Pacers, Ed Clippers, Collections You Need Lakers, BD Grizzlies, Sir Heat Bucks, BD Timberwolves, Staple Pelicans, Sir Knicks, JP Thunder, Staple with the Magic, Sir 76ers, Tupa Suns, Trailblazers, Sir Kings, Spurs, Raptors, King Vlad Jazz, and last but not least, Kyle still with Washington. Good luck, whichever team is on the card. That's where the card will go. Sealed and sealed. Empty. Zion, Mint 9, Apprenticed Artist, Penny Court Kings, PSA, Mint 9, Rookie Zion Williamson for the Pelicans. Very nice. Here's the back. Let's see who has the Pelicans. Pelicans going to Staple 5776. Congrats on 4572 in the 2020-21, the Rookies Graded Basketball Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next is break number 4580 for the 2021 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. Thanks.